Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest in gear and gadgets. Today, we're diving deep into the U40 Cork Sealant, touted as the best in the market for preserving your fishing gear and more. Stick around as we uncover what makes this product stand out. Let's start with the basics. The U40 Cork Sealant, manufactured by UAE Inc., is designed specifically for treating and protecting cork materials. Whether you're a fishing enthusiast or someone who owns cork-handled equipment, this sealant promises to keep your gear in pristine condition. What sets the U40 Cork Sealant apart from the rest? First off, its compact size, weighing just 2 ounces, makes it incredibly convenient to carry and apply on the go. Ideal for fishing rods, cork grips, and even cork sandals, this sealant ensures longevity and durability without compromising on performance. Applying the U40 Cork Sealant is a breeze. Simply shake the bottle well, apply a small amount to a clean cloth, and rub it evenly onto the cork surface. Its quick drying formula means you can get back to using your gear in no time, without worrying about damage from moisture or wear. Now, let's talk benefits. One of the standout features is its waterproofing ability. Whether you're wading through streams or caught in a rain shower, the U40 sealant forms a protective barrier that repels water, ensuring your cork stays dry and in top shape. We tested this sealant extensively, and it not only repelled water effectively, but also enhanced the grip and feel of cork handles, providing a comfortable and secure hold. This makes it a must-have for anglers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. User feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, with many praising its effectiveness and ease of use. Anglers appreciate how it extends the lifespan of their rods, while hikers find it indispensable for maintaining their cork-handled gear in rugged conditions. We reached out to fishing experts who confirmed that the U40 Cork Sealant is their go-to choice for protecting and preserving cork. Its compatibility with various cork materials and its ability to maintain flexibility over time make it a standout product in its category. You can find the U40 Cork Sealant on Amazon for a competitive price, with options for international shipping. We've included the link in the description below if you want to check it out for yourself. That wraps up our review of the U40 Cork Sealant from UAE Inc. If you're looking to extend the life of your cork-handled gear with a product that delivers on its promises, look no further. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching.